Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I have uploaded the previous video. I was busy doing my assignments and other stuff, so it's delayed, and I will keep try to upload one video per day from now. Um, so we are here to create a modern GUI using Tkinter. For that, we will need basic understanding of Python and the basic knowledge of what is class and objects in Python. Uh, MySQL database knowledge is needed as, and then the Photoshop skills. It's not compulsory that if you don't have Photoshop skills, it's not necessary that you will need to learn how Photoshop works, what is Photoshop. So you don't need that. I will be guiding you how to create the designs that we'll be using here. And then what we will be using, so we will use Python 3 in the class and objects, and the obviously Tkinter library, so that we are here, and the other required libraries. If you don't I will remember, if you don't have these skills of Python basics understandings, I will recommend you to go through the other tutorials like in the YouTubes, or I will recommend Code with Harry if you know Hindi. He is really very nice. So if you have basic understanding of Python, then these tutorials will be way easier to understand. So it's my recommendation to have some basic knowledge of how Python works, and then how class and objects works. But uh, if you don't have, it's not a problem. We will be working on that. So also we will use Photoshop to create designs, and then we will be using SMTP server to send OTP. It's free, so don't worry about that. So we'll be using Xampp for our local host to manage our databases, and obviously MySQL databases. So what you will learn? You will learn creating a desktop GUI using Tkinter. Tkinter, how to design this GUI you have saw in the previous video. Also, you will learn basic level Python if you don't already know, or if you know, it will be more. So you will know about how class and objects works, and how to inherit the parental property to childs, and so on. Also, you will get to know about how a database is implemented in Tkinter, how Tkinter works with databases. So you will learn about how to validate using OTP, the login. It might be login, or it might be password change, or registration, anything you can create, and you will learn in this video. So also nextly, you will learn for some basics Photoshop skills, how to create button, how to create the backgrounds, etc., and a lot more. So lastly, how long will be this series? This will be around 30 video tutorials, and I will try my best to keep one video per day, or it might take more than this or less than this. It depends on how long this one tutorials will be. So stay tuned and keep calm. This tutorials will be a longer, and I'm creating these tutorials in longer series just because I want you guys to understand the code, not just how to code, but understand the flow of code. So it will be beneficial for you if you follow the video, or you can pause the video if you don't understand, or even if you don't understand, then you can comment, or you can ask questions in pythoneer.com. So I hope to see you in our next videos. Thank you, and bye bye. Have a good day.